Hi students, hope everyone will be fine in your home. Welcome to the today's section. So today we are going to discuss about our worksheet. That is a PA1 worksheet, chapter 2, that is food and digestion of microbes. Okay, so everyone take your worksheet with a pencil and mark the answer. The first one, choose the correct option. These teeth are broad and strong with ridges. So the canine is said to be the sharp teeth. Premolar, it is broad and bigger. So the answer is said to be molars. So the molars are broad and strong with the ridges. And second question, which is the largest part of the tooth? So dentin, it is the largest part of our tooth. Third one, which part of the tooth is soft and it is supplied with the nerve and blood vessels? So pulp, it is very soft and it is supplied in the nerves and blood vessels. Fourth one, which of these microbes causes the disease tuberculosis? So bacteria is the microbe causes the disease tuberculosis. Fifth question, which of these microbes helps in making the bread? So as I told, some of the microbes are useful to us. So here yeast is a microbe, helps in making the bread. Then true or false? First one, milk tooth are replaced by permanent teeth when a child grows around 5 to 6. So what the question is given, they are replaced. So by the age of 5 and 6, the milk tooth fall one by one. By the age of 13 only, they are replaced by the permanent teeth. So the answer is said to be false. Second one, the food from the stomach passes into the large intestine. So it is a false, because the food from the stomach, first it passes to the small intestine. So the answer is said to be the false. Third one, waste removed from the body through the anus, it is called as a microbe. No, it is not a microbe, it is a feces. So the answer is said to be the false. Fourth one, germs are useful microbes. The germs are useful microbes? No, they are not useful microbes. So the answer is said to be false. Fifth one, protozoa, they cause the dysentery and malaria. Yes, the protozoa, it causes the dysentery and malaria. So the option is said to be true. Then fill in the blanks. So there are dash permanent teeth. How many permanent teeth are there? There are 32 permanent teeth. Dash, next one. Dash are used for grinding and crushing the food. So which is used for grinding and crushing? Molars, because canines are used for tearing the food. Here the molars are used for grinding and crushing the food. The dash of each tooth is covered with the enamel. So the crown of the tooth is covered with an enamel. Fourth one, the growth of the germs leads to the damage of the tooth, causing the tooth decay. So if the germs are growing there, it will cause the tooth decay. Dash causes the disease like common cold and influenza. So common cold and influenza are caused by viruses. Then give two examples. Teeth used for grinding and crushing the food. So you can write premolars and the molars. These teeth helps the food for grinding and crushing. So ways to take care of our teeth. How you take care of your teeth? You have to brush twice a day and you should not take a lot of sugars. Organs for digestion. You can write food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. I have told 4, you can write any 2. Name the following. The waste that is removed from the body through the anus, it is called as a feces. Then second one, the part of the tooth that is not covered by the gum, it is called as a crown. The sharp and the pointed teeth used for tearing the food, it is called as a canine. Canine is a teeth used for tearing the food. Fourth one, this makes the food moist and easy to follow. It is called as a saliva. So the saliva makes the food moist and easy to swallow. Microbe that is used in making the bread. For making the bread, we need the yeast. Then short answers. What is a pulp? The innermost part of the teeth, it is called as a pulp. The pulp is very soft and it is supplied with nerves and the blood vessels. And the next one, which part of the tooth is present inside the gums? So which is present inside the gum? It is called as a root. Name any 3 diseases caused by the protozoa. So I have written 2 only. You can write 3. That is a food poisoning, dysentery and malaria. How many times you have to brush your teeth? So you have to brush your teeth twice a day. And then long answer. First one, describe the 3 layers of tooth. So the tooth has mainly 2 parts only. The crown and the root. The part of the tooth that is not covered by the gum. And when you open your mouth, you can able to see it is called as a crown. And inside the part, it is called as a root. The another layer is there. It is called as a dentin, which is present below the enamel. It is called as a dentin. So mainly only 2 layers are there. The first one, it is called as a crown. When you open your mouth, you can able to see the crown. And inside the gums, it is called as a tooth. So the third layer, it is called as a dentin. It is present below the enamel called the dentin. So you have to describe the molars. Okay, second question. So the molars are 12 in number. 6 are present in the upper jaw and 6 are present in the lower jaw. And where they are present? They are present next to the premolars. So they are very broad, strong with ridges than the premolar. Mainly used for grinding and crushing the food materials. And then list down the ways to keep your teeth healthy. What are the things you have to do? So you have to rinse your mouth after your meals to remove the particles of food from the teeth. And you have to brush your teeth twice a day. And you have to take the calcium such as the milk and the milk products in your diet to keep your teeth strong. And you have to avoid the food which contain lot of sugar as sweets, candies, etc. Then come to the logical question. So these questions you have to do by yourself. You have to think and then answer. So see the question first. The doctor told Seema that eating too much of candies, it may harm your teeth. Do you think the doctor is right? Of course, if you eat more candies, what's your mother say? Don't eat the chocolates. You will get the tooth decay, right? So yes, the doctor is right because eating too much of candies will lead to the tooth decay. So we have to avoid the food which contain the sugar such as sweets, candies and fizzy-drinks. Second question, why it is important to visit the dentist regularly? So if there are 2 type of the teeth, right? Milk teeth and the permanent teeth. So milk tooth fell down means we will get the permanent teeth. If you lost your permanent teeth, what will happen? It cannot be replaced. So it should be very careful in your teeth. So you have to visit the dentist regularly to check your teeth. So you must rinse your mouth well after the meals. Why? Because after eating a food, some of the food particles will be present in your tooth. If you rinse your mouth with the water, what will happen? These particles will be removed here. So only you have to rinse your mouth after your meals. Now fourth one, who am I? Write my name, draw me and label my parts. I have a crown, I am not a king. I have a root, I am not a plant. Who am I? It is said to be the tooth. The outermost part, it is called as a crown and the innermost part, it is called as a root. So the answer is said to be the tooth. You have to draw the tooth in their box. So go through this worksheet thoroughly. If you find the answer, just write the answers in a worksheet, or otherwise I will send you in your document. Okay, see you tomorrow. Take care.